Hey there! Want to learn how to create a business email like this one? You're in the right place. Today we'll set up a business email account using Hostinger in just 5 minutes. And I'll also show you how to link it to your personal Gmail for seamless management. What do you actually need to create a professional email? Well, mostly it's a domain name. That's the part of your custom email address that comes after the @ symbol. If you already have a domain for your business or blog, great, we can use that. If not, Hostinger offers email plans that include a free domain name. I'll leave discount links for both simple email hosting plans and shared hosting subscriptions in the description. Just keep in mind that the first cheaper professional email plan only includes email services, so you'll need to pay separately for the domain name. But if you grab the second plan, the domain name is included for the first year on the house. For the best value, I'd recommend going for the premium shared hosting plan. It gives you not only up to 100 domain-based email addresses, but also a website builder and WordPress optimized hosting. And if you're looking for something different, I'll also leave links to Inos, which has some very affordable plans as well. Let's set up your professional Hostinger email. If you haven't already, head over to Hostinger and pick a hosting plan that fits your needs. Once you've set up your account, log into Hostinger's H panel. Click on Setup, select your domain, and then create your email account. Choose an email address by deciding on the prefix. Example, info@yourdomain.com or contact@yourdomain.com. Making sure to set a strong password using a reputable password manager is always a good idea. Finally, click Create to establish your new professional email account. Look, managing multiple email accounts can be cumbersome, but by linking your new professional email to your personal Gmail account, you can send and receive everything from one place. Essentially, you'll be managing your business email using Gmail. To get started, log into your Gmail account. Click on the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. Navigate to the Accounts and Import tab. In the Check Mail from Other Accounts section, click Add a Mail Account. Enter your new business email address and follow the prompts. You'll need the incoming IMAP/POP3 and outgoing SMTP server details from Hostinger. Next, in the same Accounts and Import tab, find the Send Mail As section. Click Add another email address and enter your professional email details. Gmail will send a verification code to your new email. Retrieve the code from Hostinger's webmail and confirm the setup in Gmail. Congratulations! You're now the proud owner of a professional business email, and 2025 can officially start on the right foot. Now, we could have just used email forwarding. In that case, everything could have been set up directly in Hostinger's H panel by simply providing our email address. But while forwarding can send messages from your professional email to your personal Gmail, it comes with limitations. The biggest drawback? It doesn't let you send emails from your professional address via Gmail seamlessly. Sure, there are workarounds, but at that point, why not fully connect it? By configuring Gmail to both send and receive using your professional email's SMT and IMAP/POP3 settings, you ensure full functionality and a smoother, more integrated experience. After all, you want your business to run as smoothly as possible, don't you? So, that's it for how to create a business email. Setting up a professional email address is a key step in building your brand's credibility. And with Hostinger's affordable plans and user-friendly interface, the whole process couldn't be easier. Plus, by integrating it with Gmail, you can streamline your communication while keeping things professional in all your client interactions. If you have any questions or need further assistance with how to make a business email, feel free to drop a comment below. I'm happy to assist with all your hosting needs. For more tutorials, reviews, and the latest updates on hosting and cybersecurity, don't forget to subscribe to the Cyber News channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.